Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use shape tool in Photoshop. So in Photoshop you will find the shape tool in here. The default shape tool is the rectangle tool. You can click on it and you can right click on it to browse other shape tools. So let me show you the basic with the rectangle shape tool. So you have to there are several options like fill, stroke, and how many pixels your stroke will be, and stroke type, which can be straight line, and these gap lines. So let's make a rectangle. You can select stroke and fill color. So let me drag it. So when you are in when you have selected a shape tool, then you have to drag and customize it in a measurement. As you can see, when I'm moving the thing, it is showing me the width and the height in pixels. So once you have selected a size which you want the shape to be, then you have to just release your mouse. As you can see, the shape tool, the shape has been created, and you can edit the pixel size of the stroke, which was only 1 pixel earlier. I make it around 10 pixel. You can also type in here. So as you can see, it will also show the shape size in pixel in here. So you can customize it from here as well. So I'm going to make it 250 by 250 and press enter. As you can see, the shape is measurement of the shape is changed. So you can change the stroke color as well, or you can change the fill color. You can move the text by clicking on move tool and moving it, and you can centerize it. So now you can select many tools as you want, like this rounded edge, rectangle tool, ellipse tool, which is basically a circle or a round shape. You can press shift to make it even, proportional, or you can release the shift to create a shape as you want. You can press space while creating it to move it while you are creating it, and select a desired location, and then again start shaping it. And there is polygonal shape tool. So for getting shape tool editing option, you have to click on the shape tool again, and you can change the things here as well. So you can also in some tools make how many sides you want. So for this, the default is 5. I'm gonna make it 7 and click enter. So you can see it created a polygon tool, polygon shape with 7 sides. You can also use line tools to create custom shape. Wait, let me clear all this to show you better. So for that you have to drag from points to points to create a custom shape. and you can edit this as well. and the final is like custom shape tool. So that was, I mean, line tool. With line tool you can also create a custom shape basically, and with line custom shape tool there are like you can do many things, like this created a tree effect, and there are like some other tools you can use from here, and you can change the shape. In shape there are many things. It was the tree one. Now let's try a wild animal one. Let's try lion. So I have selected lion, and when I'm like doing dragging it, it is creating a lion shape, as you can see here. So that's basically you can use how you can use shape tool in Photoshop. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.